Hey, Blake and Benny here. Today we're talking sound. As gamers know, every leaf rustling could be a potential enemy. Do you have eyes in the back of your head? I don't.
What?
Exactly. Today we're testing the G430 with 7.1 Dolby surround sound. It doesn't just let you hear those leaves, you can actually pinpoint the sound's location, giving you the drop on would-be assassins. All right, Benny, let's start this test.
Awesome. I tweaked the stereo myself. Benny for the win!
When you hear a sound, you point to where it's coming from. And if you're wrong, well, snipers engage.
Snipers? I didn't mention
Snipers.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
Right, left, front, back. That easy, folks. 360 degrees of surround sound in action. Okay. Snipers disengage. Oh, Benny. Let's talk science, my friend. 7 channels of digital audio versus duct tape. There's no competition. The G430 lets you hear what you can't see.
Adjustments will have to be made.
To your spine.